So before I get started in introducing the makeup look I'm doing today, I decided to throw in some announcements and updates for you guys. So first and foremost is I just want to say I changed my schedule again for uploading Get Ready With Me's and makeup tutorials, and that is because on Mondays and Fridays I have really important things to do in the morning and I want to prioritize that time to those things, and so I decided to do Tuesdays, Thursdays, Saturdays, and some Sundays. So if you're interested in my makeup looks or anything like that, you can stay tuned for new uploads. Mondays, Wednesdays, Fridays, and some Sundays will just be drafts or like uploading like old posts I did, like throwback stuff like that. And maybe some skincare routine and stuff like that, since I've been changing my skincare since it is winter time and my skin is hella dry. But yeah, also because of the whole TikTok being bananered and scared thing, I personally don't believe it. They've been saying this for a while, but if it does happen, I am posting everything on my YouTube channel that I have with my fiance at Micah&Shawna, and I will make a playlist of just pure makeup videos if you are just interested in seeing my makeup and you don't want to see the other videos. That way you guys can still see my makeup looks and stuff like that, because I don't know where else to post them that is long enough for you guys can see the whole entire tutorial. So I'm going to be uploading them to YouTube starting today. So this look will also go on here, TikTok, but it'll also go on YouTube just in case anything was to happen to TikTok. I want to say thank you guys so much for your continuous support. I know my views have been super duper low. It has been very discouraging to come on here and see the views that I have, but I'm not going to stop. I was hella depressed this morning, but I told myself I need to get up and I need to do what I need to do. So yeah. And with that being said, guys, I'm going to go though. And I hope you guys will enjoy this look. So the look that I did today was this that I found on Google. I just recreated it. I didn't have glitter, like red glitter eyeshadow or red glitter. So I just did like a matte version of it, and then I put some white glitter under my eyes to just kind of make that look pop. But I did the best I could. I really like how it came out. So if you guys want to see how I did this look, then just keep on watching. I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in my next makeup tutorial or get ready.